installing the Harbor Freight Road Shock LEDs on the side of the boat for night fishing. There's one here. What I got so far, I just drilled one hole through there. And where's the other one right here? So this is what it looks like right now. Pretty bright. So I'm putting 3 on each side. See how that goes. Alright, this is what it looks like with just the LED and the front lights. Still not done installing it yet, but here's the rock lights. There's 3 on each side. Alright, there's all the lights off. And this is just the rocker's light. There you go. Lights up the whole floor. So it'll light up the water. Here's the other side, looks a lot better. Pretty cool. So crappie fishing at night, don't need no light, just kind of shines into the water. Looks pretty cool. Still gotta clean up a bit, but yeah. Here's a switch. I haven't installed it completely, but turn off and turn back on. Pretty cool.